I
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
let's go again. Yeah. Give me a second. Answer your question. Okay, wait. If I tack mimic first, then up. Mimic first, stop, staircase. Okay, that is a draw. So, baby steps. Okay. If I go here, it goes there. If I put it here, it cannot go anywhere, so I need to go back. Oh, now I get it why he went back. I see. What's the best move here? Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Go away. Wow. Okay, how is your chess journey going now? I'm not going to say it's easy. It's a little bit difficult, but I'm almost finished with learning the end game and the stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to learn most of the end game, because yeah, first the opening and then the end game, and then I think I'm gonna practice more. The reason I'm doing that is because if you know how the game ends or where you're going to, it's easy to take the necessary steps. So that's how I'm going to do. Okay, let's see this one. We have this. Okay, safely promote your pawn. Wow. Okay. We have this, protect it. 1, 2, no, 3. King cannot go there. How can you do this? We can go here and then here. Depends how they move. I cannot promote my pawn if it doesn't eat anything. If I take, he takes, or he takes, that's a problem. But if I put this, he takes, he move away, and then I take. Yeah, sorry Bishop, bye. Yeah, it was the best option. Okay, the question is, what's the correct answer here? Oh, I also forgot to put it on the music. Wow, what's the correct answer here? We cannot go here. Yeah, I don't know the correct answer. I know they didn't remove him, but where? Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, that one was fun. No, this one. Yeah. I only forgot where. Yeah. Okay. Second one. How to draw for 20. So technically a staircase. Alright. Oh. Oh, what? Why didn't he move? Let's see. What? Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Okay, we have 2. And we on the same. Question is which side is faster. So 4. Technically the both are fast. Okay. Oh, so you use that to see where he's going. Here, I don't know. Yeah, keep thinking. It's a draw. Okay. It's a good one. Okay, so mimic. I need to find a solution for that. Okay, let's try it again. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, let's see. As a means to end. Okay. So here, these two are important. It's blocking me, so...
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be great.